Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you YouTube Music versus Spotify versus Apple Music, which is the best. So let's get started. So first things first, let's dive into the similarities between YouTube Music, Spotify, and Apple Music. So first is they have extensive music libraries. All three platforms offer over 100 million tracks, providing users with access to a vast range of music across multiple genres. And then the second one is the personalized recommendation. So each service utilizes algorithms to recommend music based on user listening habits. And the number three is the offline listening. So all of them offer offline listening, but not for free. And the cross-platform availability, so available on various devices including smartphones, tablets, desktops, smart speakers, web platforms, and so on, including iOS and Android. And then the next thing is the family plan. So each service offers family plans and allow multiple users to share a subscription at a reduced cost per person. They also offer student plans right there so that you'd get a discount if you're a student if you can present your ID. All right, so now that I have told you their similarities, now it's time to tell you the differences and what they do best, because the answer to the question on which one is the best might be different from person to person depending on their preferences and needs. So for YouTube Music, its best feature would be its integration with YouTube, because it's best for users who enjoy music videos, live performances, and user-generated content. Seamlessly integrates with a broader YouTube platform, providing access to official music videos and a wide range of unofficial content. And its music discovery, leveraging YouTube's vast library of music videos and user content, it offers unique discovery opportunities. And its ad-supported free tier, so it provides a free tier with ads similar to Spotify, allowing users to explore music without a subscription. And its strong integration with Google services and devices, making it ideal for users already invested into the Google ecosystem. So now let's move on to Spotify. So with Spotify, you have the music discovery and curation, known for its robust music discovery features like Discover Weekly, Release Radar, and Daily Mix. It also has an excellent algorithm-driven recommendation and curated playlists. It also has social features. It has a superior social integration with features like collaborative playlists, friend activity feeds, and easy sharing on social media. It also has cross-platform compatibility, so it has a wide compatibility with various devices, including smart speakers, gaming consoles, and more. It also has Spotify Connect for seamless device switching. And it also has a podcast. This is the hub of podcasts right here, because it has extensive library of podcasts, including exclusive content and original shows. And now, finally, Apple Music. Apple Music is known for its audio quality, offers standard 256 kbps AAC streaming with lossless and high-res lossless options available for audiophiles. High-quality audio streaming options are superior to Spotify and YouTube Music. And its integration with the Apple ecosystem, deep integration with the Apple devices and services like iPhone, iPad, Mac, and so on. It also has a native app experience on iOS and macOS with seamless integration with Siri for voice commands. And of course, it also has exclusive content, regular exclusive releases, and early access to new music from popular artists, and of course, the iCloud music library, which allows users to sync their personal music library across devices, including tracks not available on Apple Music catalog. And now the pricing, if you would like to compare the prices. So this is the prices of Apple Music right here, and this is for the YouTube Music, and this is for the Spotify Premium right here. And I think the YouTube Music is the cheapest one right here, which is only $129 for an individual plan. Here in Apple Music, you would be able to get 139 right here. So YouTube Music is cheaper, and for the Spotify one, it's also cheaper. So Spotify would be the most expensive one, but you would also get the student uh, plan right here. So if you have an ID proving that you're a student, then you can avail the lowest price right here for individuals. So the YouTube Music is the cheapest one right here. So that is basically it for the prices. So now in conclusion, so it would depend on which one you would choose as the best, because YouTube Music is best for music video enthusiasts and those who value integration with YouTube and Google's ecosystem. And Spotify is best for music discovery, social features, and cross-platform compatibility with a strong podcast offering. And the Apple Music would be the best for high quality audio, deep integration with Apple devices, and exclusive content. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.